Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken and potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. Also, prepare 3 medium potatoes, peeled and diced into 1/2-inch cubes. Ensure you have 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy cream ready. This simple recipe is perfect for a comforting meal. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chicken pieces and sauté them until they are lightly browned on all sides. Then, stir in 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Finally, pour in the 4 cups of chicken broth and bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Once the broth is simmering, add your diced potatoes to the pot. Let them cook for about 15 minutes or until they are fork tender. This ensures they absorb all the delicious flavors. After the potatoes are cooked, gently stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Season your soup with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting as needed for your preference. Your easy chicken and potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or chives for a touch of color and extra flavor. Serve this comforting soup immediately, perhaps with some warm, crusty bread on the side. It's a perfect meal for any day. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.